Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most versatile, easy to use, and powerful Excel tools out there. Hope you had an awesome week and are ready to make the next one even better. Our goal here is pretty simple, to help you, whether you're a business owner or manager, get more done by solving specific problems and doing it really well with Excel Distance Calculators tools. Today, I want to show you one of our top tools, the Latitude and Longitude Converter, also known as Excel Geocoder. This handy tool makes it super easy to turn addresses, zip codes, or cities into geocodes or latitude and longitude, and even altitude. Let me show you why this tool is such a game changer. The Lat Long Converter is all built in Excel, so there's nothing to install. It's incredibly easy to use and perfect for tasks like converting addresses for software integration, resolving incomplete or messy data, and managing location-specific operations. You can work with full addresses, zip codes, or even just by city names. And it works for addresses all over the world, not just in the US. Here's how it works. Simply paste your list of addresses into the input section of the tool. Whether you're working with 20 or 20,000 addresses, the process is just as straightforward. Then you hit the Generate button, and the tool does the rest. It connects to Google Maps to pull accurate latitude, longitude, and altitude for each address. In no time, your results are ready in neat columns, so you can plug them right into whatever you're working on. Easy, right? Why do so many people love this tool? Well, here's the deal. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, and with over 7,500 happy customers and a ton of glowing Google reviews, it's clear these tools really make a difference. Every week, we hear from folks who say how much our tools have made their work easier. They've saved time, solved problems, and cut down costs. Some of our customers have said that our tools are seamless and efficient, a must-have tool for any manager, and exceptional customer support. We're really proud of how we've helped people make their daily work easier. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, download it now using the link in the description. And hey, if you've got questions or need help, we're just a phone call or email away. Yep, we actually answer the phone. Whether it's about this tool or any of the other dozens of products on our site, we're here to help. We can even tweak the tool for you if you need it to do more than what it already does. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Here's to making your week smoother and more productive with the right tools. Catch you next time.